Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mala and today I have brought some awesome concealer tips for you. Now the thing is that concealer is one of the best things ever, but applying it properly totally makes it or breaks it. So concealer is something that we all love and it is a brilliant invention, but applying it correctly is so important. So today I have two good tips for you when it comes to applying concealer flawlessly, and I shall do the application and show you while I explain to you what I'm talking about. So let's get into it and learn something new and fun. Hi guys, so I am using my LA Girl Pro HD High Definition Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And you do not want to put a lot of product in a big triangle, just a little bit will do. So let me show you. I am just gonna put a little bit under my eyes and I am going to start blending it. Now you have to remember, I always tell you, this is what I've learned from all the professional makeup artists that I've worked with. Everything that you blend extends. So whenever you blend a product, it needs space to extend. If you put the product in the entire area that you want it to be, there is no area left to extend, is there? So put it in half or less of the area that you desire to put it on, and then blend. And the more you blend, the more it becomes natural and skin-like. On the other side, I will put even less product in even less of an area and extend it as I blend it and make it very natural and skin-like. Still all the coverage that you require, but none of the cakiness, none of the patchiness. It's one of the most important concealer tips, you guys. You must try it. The second thing is that when you put concealer under your eyes, if you put it in the entire under eye area, it automatically makes your eyes look smaller. And to rectify this smaller, closed looking eye, that any concealer, no matter how good it is, no matter how nicely it is applied, it will do it. I am simply taking an angular eyeshadow brush, this one is from Vega, and I am putting a dark brown eyeshadow, or you can use a black one too, especially on the outer corners of the lower lash line. Now, just see the difference. The right eye clearly looks bigger, and that is why we will do the same thing on the left eye. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Please tell me what you thought, if you found it interesting, if you want more concealer and foundation tips and trick videos. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you super soon. Bye.